Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. Welcome to another vlog. I am currently hiking up the side of the bluff. It is beautiful out today, and I just couldn't say no to a nice hike, you know? Absolutely gorgeous out here. Take a look at this. Just pan around, show you what I'm working with. Beautiful out here. Now, I've been on the trail for about an hour or so already, and the top of the trail isn't too far away. And I gotta tell you guys, I haven't been hiking in quite some time, especially like this. A majority of this trail is on an incline, and if you haven't been hiking in a while, you are gonna feel it. Alright guys, we are pretty much at the top. That was quite a hike, I'll tell you what. Now, normally when I'm on this trail and I make it up this far, I like to have this area to myself. You know, with the state of the world right now, people don't really want to stay home, and there have been a lot of people on this trail, and I think there's already some people up here. I couldn't really get a lot of footage up at the lookout point. There were a couple of kids that were behind me, and they were just booking it up the side of the bluff. And they made it to the lookout point probably, I don't know, about 3 minutes before I did. And I figured, you know what, no problem. Go ahead, sit there, enjoy it. I'll wait for you to get done, even though, I mean, technically I was here before you, but whatever. And I sat there and I waited for these kids to leave for probably like 45 minutes to an hour. Man, that was frustrating. I don't mean to put negativity in the video, but I gotta vent a little bit. That was really rude of them, to be honest. Anyways, on with my day. I was going to go fishing today, but I don't think I'm going to. I haven't looked into my tackle box in quite some time, and to be honest, I don't really even know what I have. So I think I'm going to check that out a little later and see what I actually have. I lost a bunch of my lures last year, so yeah, I'm not sure what I have anymore. What I'd like to do is go out and catch a bunch of bluegill, fillet them up, and make some lunch. But I got a couple of days off coming up, back to back. And I think that'll be the perfect time to get out and do a little fishing. Yeah, guys, that's not the first time that, that's happened at the top of this bluff where I've had to wait somebody out. The last time I had to do it, I think I waited like an hour and a half before the people finally got up, and they were pretty noticeably irritated. But, I mean, come on. It's for everybody. Don't just sit there for like hour and a half, 2 hours, you know. Be respectful of other people and get up and move and make it available for everybody, you know. It has been a while since I've been able to make this kind of content, and I'm really excited about it. I made nothing but jailhouse burrito taste test videos for quite some time. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like making them, but I like making all kinds of content, and I really don't like being stuck on making one thing for a while, and I kind of was, but getting back into the swing of it here. Now, if you watch my channel much, you'll know that my wife and I got a guinea pig not that long ago, and I've noticed that there's a lot of guinea pig content on YouTube. I haven't made any myself. I might try doing some of that here pretty soon. And I mean, that would be really easy and simple content to make. You guys might actually see me on the river in some upcoming videos. I have been thinking about buying a kayak. Well, I was between two things, a kayak or a mountain bike, and I cannot find a bike for sale anywhere in my area. I mean, they're completely cleared out. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get a kayak. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I'm in the middle of a lot of things, so I'm just going to show you a couple things and then end it here. Smoked oysters. I'm going to try these out in a jailhouse burrito. I think they're going to be gross, but it'll be worth a look, I guess. I'm in the middle of a lot of cleaning, actually, and my wife and I got this, I think like 2 months ago, something like that. Hurricane Spin Scrubber. This thing is amazing. I'm going to let our guinea pig go ahead and end the video. You going to end it for me, buddy? Huh? Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a good day.